Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Na watwi we mu mi ankasa mi area me kwan so bebi a mete abrako sembi esie na oba Michelle camp asogers for a work camp ni mu no bo mu boafu yie na ekomo nko a na ka yenjare omo na wo mu display nanso at some way I see ye jai soldiers ne se wo mu in display a se ne asem ne bekono entwaye eno hunti mpanyimfo bi abem nsem bi so a wo mo ka no ye de betudwa asogers for no mbuafu yie pa now wo bi a wonim ahyiama runabout na wo battle was Michelle camp on the Akosombo and on the Tema Akosombo highway die si ne se sa kwan ne so no unam so a sorry sa kwan ne so unam so a most of the time unhu ne say V8 and a soldiers for car eba in the convoy until was say oyeden o makwan inti ashama runabout ho akakakra we du tulaku na soldier ni bi te ne car musalum car na war driving na V8 baako 4 wo mu speedy actress wo mu nso every tulaku ashama runabout a wo mu head on the Tema Akosombo highway ne so na wo mo ebo siren omo basa na omo de mu ndi traffic mu basa akwan na obi a wo yusu sa akwan me ye ho na mete obi a wo yusu sa akwan ne bi anim se e ho de everyday traffic enti ye ho na wo mo ebo siren a sojeni na wote wo no ne saloon car mu no e wo se wo makwan but according to eyewitnesses no you see on that particular stretch there is some part of the road bia ekwan no ewa esen asase no as in the pedestrian way no ekwan no ewa soro pedestrian way nti no se wo bi ebo siren wo so na opese wo makwan a untumi nko pedestrian way no so otherwise so car ase ebesei nti normally edu sana people still are in the lane until say wo mudu bebi a ekwan no any pedestrian level pedestrian way no ebeye pe na no they obetumi akọ pedestrian so na nkrofo na ba besin. I use that road a lot and it is something I'm telling you. It happens to me myself. Sometimes social soldiers for ne kra ba no mo boss arena bebi a megina no any pedestrian no ewa se me kan no me pushi kwa me kan na se ebetwi ebetumi asai nti me delay ni mu until say ebedu anim kakra pedestrian way no ene ekwan no on the same level. That's when I can move. Nti obi a wo yusu sa akwan ne bi anim say that's how it is done. Nti soje ni a wote ne saloon car no na wo yesa na wo yesa no em say nkrofo a wo mote V8 mu no mu hu say soje ni no person disrespect yo mo ena nkrofo no wo mu V8 no baako ekochoke soja ni no nenim ena trese wo mu ni na si V8 wo mu si V8 mu no say nkrofo yi wo mu ye national security for wo mu ni na krekretio etiefo national security for wo mu ni na krekretio wo mu be chegu soja ne so ewo ne kanim atwin soja ne pie ye hwehwe na somo in the full glare of the public bisa wo bia wo ahyiama ntulaku na watwe we mu sa asem ne siye in the full glare of the public wo mo hwehwe soja ni na sum na nkrofo bisa se na Ghana e de na esi inti se o ma mo kwan ekwan no se be wentumi an stop ya wo ko baby na waso enu hu nti yesi etwitwitio bebobo enye se civilian no. So you just imagine soja ni obi a wo hye so he was wearing soja enye se bia wo hye soja uniform he was wearing the military uniform in the car. Soja ni no wo ye obi a wo train so wo ye physical instructor kra te say a soldiers for ho be ye den no onu no training a soldiers for no nti ye obi a wo nya keto asa and he was wearing the military uniform in the car. National security for no esiye etwini siye ebobo na sum etwini African nim the handcuff gunensa de no ko hye wo mo national security for car nim drive it off inti wo mo ana mo around na no mo kraka no hu se dabi ade a AC de entwaye ba ko sei entwaye kra. So what happened? And they say ebi mu di national security for ne car nechi say wo mo hwe bebia wo mo di soldier no airco and that place say na medin country no it is not far wo hwe eho ene Michel camp bebia soldiers for camp ne wona it should be around 5 minutes 10 minutes drive but because of traffic ninti obetumi e di be 30 minutes car was akwan ne mu because I feel be far one hour call hence our traffic then wo ho no but we mu wo mu ndi traffic mu nti within 5 minutes 10 minutes and wo mu ko do Michel camp and wo mu ko handle the soldier over at the Michel camp and san ankrofo hu say okay wo mu the soldier na ko Michel camp no mo back off na ade we ya ade bia ama a soldiers for no as asem na hye wo mo so ahye mo akomemu ase se sen ye nua ne sen na amben se national security for na ye ka se ye ne mo toto a mo betumi ne ye soldiers for na nti wo ko Michel camp a soldiers for na wo ni na boafu wo mo dwa na wo se mpanyifo bem inti enimwanimu ho na soldiers for mpanyifo no hu se dabi se ne soldiers for no boafu no se ye jai wo mo a de wo mo ba ye na nya bini na wo a soldiers for ye nkrofo bi a se wonnim na wo de wonsa ko kan wo mo nipa baako se ya mo authorization kra na wo mo tumi fe chi ba ye mo because a violation na wa violate it dey see and said the deputy national security minister and the soldiers for mpanyifo bi and na trese wo mo e ba ye na wo mo organize deba ombe organize deba wo mo ni soldiers for no and na wo mo kasa e wo program na se e pa soldiers for no cho say wo mo sra soldiers for no mfa asem ne nche they should forgive and forget. This is what the deputy national security minister any soldiers for mpanyifo ni aban mpanyifo bi wo mo behu a soldiers for na wo mo katra soldiers for no say wo mo nim say the national security for ne ye no eye bone wo mo mfa nche wo mo kiken bi a wo mo wie wo mo nkonkwa kasa wo mo say ane ene a soldiers for no sisi a ye beto emo ene oil ni chese ye pese ye ya na compensate wo mo do mo kan sa asem no wie no ewo deba ho no soja ni ba ko krempija na no ankasa dead silence na trese mo be so mo trese sa asem na no mo kasa mo be maye emo ni we ne kra no wo mo adwa because ni ye omo si wo mo be ko program bi ye be ba be cheche emu ne sa nyama no na wa wo be ba bibia no pija unsa ana wa wo be bibia no maye hu oh yes soja so no bia pija ne se obi aye kom because omo nya wo mo adwa se eyensemfun sebe na national security for ebedi. Why is it that I say now saying we've empowered the national security to the point where even uniformed personnel, national security for air assault, what's going on in this country? We all know from Ayawaso West Wagon, our national security personnel, ekra etio. We also what they did to an MP, a board MP assume, President Etenase, a fair commission of inquiry. Commission of inquiry nika say national security personnel now wo mudi sa sebe insam no yenchi omuntum but you can say that be yenchi omuntum. Why? Because they are believed to be party faithful. Mama what you say that is one thing in this country emma of my way your security systems no say because the person has no business being a national security personnel. The person has no business holding a gun because of politics inti yedetio ahye nipa ko nsem because of politics inti yedetio ahye nipa ko nsem on creatio no nko yese udi agro wo ma yese udi agro wo ma yese udi agro. What is happening in this country? This is not the first time I've stepped in national security for omo misbehave say. This is not the first time. Embra voters registration na ekoso no me mamoti ase say national security for etumi ko chief police ni bi efri ni car mu etrese ebo even police for credit ayomo. What's going on? Why is it that this time around the national security have been empowered? And you see the whole thing they say asem way the entire abontin the entire nkrofo buefu ne say it happened to a military officer and we all know how volatile the military personnel can get. And no hunting asem we yati and no hunting a chopper abbey. Imagine say just a normal citizen and I deal with no Imagine na company for beba betena say ye meeting, say ye need back on kasa. It is because it happened to a military officer and omo anomo wo Michelle Camps that day no mu buefu e man nkrofo hu say dabi say na nkrofo buefu no ye ni omo anko kasa e bia de besi wo Ghana no enye. Just some few days to election. And the national security, you do this in the full glare of people. Ashama Tula Kuna Nkrofo Jina Wa Wamoshe. People were shocked. Say, hey! People said to me, say, Ghana. People were just shocked. Go to the newspapers, the Chronicle, whatever. They all reported on this story. Not just assembly, a young Nkrofo woman say, in America, no. Imagine it was just a normal citizen. What would have happened?